Welcome to the windmill site at Sennelager Ranges in Germany. An anniversary is being celebrated here today. In 1942, 50 years ago, a corps was formed to look after the vehicles and equipment of the British Army. Up until then, the Army had equipped men. But thereafter, learning the lessons of armoured warfare in the deserts of North Africa, the Army manned equipment. And the corps that was to recover and repair that equipment was the Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers, the REME. It's Saturday the 9th of May, and the REME and BAOR are celebrating their 50th anniversary. Never mind the pretty appalling weather here, this display on the Sennelager Ranges is designed to show off the men, the equipment and the skills of the modern REME. The REME, of course, look after electrical equipment as well as mechanical equipment. Hidden under these camouflage nets are all sorts of strange and exciting things. Let's go and have a look. Here inside of Box 40, we find a guy who I happen to know is Staff Sergeant Paul Dunwell. Paul, what's going on in here?
Well, at the moment, I'm repairing a piece of electronic testing using my peripheral and main digital APU computer called Diana.
How have things changed from the time that you used to be in the REME?
Well, basically, things have gone from valves to system up to what you see behind me today, the latest up-to-date automatic testing. And that's been a radical change in the last few years.
A large part of the display here at Sennelager, celebrating the REME's 50th anniversary, has to do with aviation. REME supports everything that flies that belongs to the Army. Let's go and find out something about that. Something wrong here. Tell me about this list behind you. What's this? This got to do with you. This plate there, kind of simulated that. If I can change the gen engine, there does that too. This is like a vacuum box. From completely ground room and air, the air that's coming in about this planet. And what's happening on this truck behind you? What he's doing there, we're just packing up the engine, ready for transportation back to the NIG. Hopefully we can fix it. Krav, or Rhino, this has been renamed, the Army's latest recovery vehicle. Let's find out about it from Corporal Scotty Bancroft. Scotty, this is your wagon, I believe.
Yes, it is. Nice new wagon for us.
Tell me about it. What can it do?
It's come into service to replace the Houston ARRV, and it's got far more power to cope with the extra weight that you get on the Challenger main battle tank. And it's also for first line and second line repair and recovery of all main battle tanks and heavy hull tanks.
What sort of repair facilities have you got on board?
We have the capability to lift all in-service major assemblies and tank power packs, etc. And we carry various test equipment so that we can diagnose whether or not a engine needs replacing or it can be fixed.
Are you happy with it?
Yep, very good vehicle. State-of-the-art stuff, no one's got anything better in the world. And I just believe that it's us that has got it.
This is an Iraqi T-55 recovery vehicle, recovered from the Iraqis by 5 armoured workshops, and in particular by Sergeant Colin Clark, who's now going to tell us the story. Colin, hello, you picked this up while on your holiday during Operation Granby. Tell me about it.
Well, basically, we were temporarily misplaced on the recovery path with a Houston. And while we were riding around the desert trying to find out where we were, suddenly noticed this Houston in the distance. So we stopped and had a look at it, and then suddenly realised it was the Iraqi version of our own Houston.
How do you reckon this compares with the Houston ARRV?
Well, it doesn't at all, really. It's a very, very poor cousin. It is a recovery vehicle, but as the Challenger is for the Houston is for this. It is a very, very basic piece of equipment, and you can't really take anything at all with the Houston. Houston has been with us, it's good bit of equipment. The Challenger is now taking its place, which is in master piece of equipment. I'm afraid this one is now in a museum where it will stay. It will never leave us with the British forces of the recovery vehicle.
General, can I ask you to give me a sort of brief summary of the difference in emphasis for the REME between the old phrase of maintenance and today's equipment support?
Well, maintenance was mainly concerned with repair, but now as the Equipment Support Corps of the Army, we will be responsible for all aspects of equipment support, including spares provisions to Germans from cradle to grave.
Is this going to give the REME a bright future in the remodelled army?
Well, I've no doubt of that, and our contribution to the combat effectiveness of the army will steadily grow.
And of course you keep your cap badge.
We keep our cap badge, which is entirely appropriate, I believe, in our 50th anniversary year, and welcome to all ranks.
Well, happy anniversary. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
The ceremonial centrepiece of this special day is a parade of men and vehicles, between them representing REME in VAOR. And for the rest of the programme, that's what we're going to watch. It's a pity about the weather. It's been raining hard for quite some while now, and everybody's already fairly wet. But I think there's probably still a spring in the stride, and people determined to get on with it. They've been rehearsing this parade for a week, and it's going to look wonderful when we get to it. Just arriving now is the most senior soldier in the British Army, indeed in the British Forces, the Chief of the Defence Staff. Field Marshal Sir Richard Vincent, who's come here to take the salute today. He's being met by the Representative Colonel Commandant of the REME, Major General Dennis Shaw, and the Director General Equipment Support for the Army, Major General Mike Heath. CDS will be escorted through the parade by the Commander Equipment Support of the British Corps, Brigadier Murray Wildman. And I've been joined in our splendid and relatively waterproof commentary box by Captain Steve Stevenson, who's been in the REME since he joined as a boy soldier in 1963, I think, Steve?
I did indeed, Charlie. Hi.
Well, welcome to the commentary, and I'm sure this is going to be a very splendid parade. Today's parade is the focus for the total of 6,500 REME soldiers who serve in Germany. They've come from units all over the command, from Verden, from Wolfenbüttel, from Rheindalen, and all points between. Not everybody's here, of course. There's people on emergency tours in Northern Ireland, Belize, Cyprus, and others supporting military exercises here in Germany. Some are over at Bathurst in Canada. But there are just over 600 on parade, officers and men, and another 300 or so manning display stands, which will be open for a rather soggy viewing by the visitors. There are 3,500 soldiers, families and guests who've come here, huddled under their umbrellas to watch this REME's 50th anniversary parade, REME VAOR. And CDS comes over to the left-hand end as we look at it of this parade of foot soldiers.
I'm going down the front rank, very quickly moving down the front rank, stopping to speak to the odd man. Now he's talking to Corporal Artist. Corporal Artist serves with the Scotland Guards in the Gulf.
There's quite a lot of people, obviously, here who've got their Granby service medals and one or two other service medals as well. I've noticed the 2 Falklands medals on the parade altogether, Steve.
Indeed, 4 armoured workshops weren't actually in the Gulf as a workshop, but men and vehicles were deployed with other units. And the majority of people on parade today do have the medal.
In the background there we can see the static displays. You can probably just pick out the helicopter. There's a main repair group from the REME Aviation on display. Now he's moving on to the second company, which is your unit, I think.
Number 2 company, 6 armoured workshops. The regimental sergeant major is talking to Staff Sergeant Murray. The CDS is talking to Sergeant Yandel. Sergeant Yandel is a Great Britain Team Lead member. That's these people that go down on the little skateboard down mountain. And moving on very quickly, 6 armoured workshops were in the Gulf as the 4th maintenance workshop. As we move down, now speaking of Corporal Leonard. Corporal Leonard, obviously the second site. Corporal Leonard joined the Army in the Royal Army Ordnance Corps. After 1 year decided REME was the life for him. And the majority of those on parade today were in the Gulf with 7 Armoured. And talking now with Craftsman Graham, a married man, from Andover and enjoys tug of war. 7 Armoured workshops deployed to the Gulf September time and returned in March.
Of course, its link with the desert is interesting because the REME was founded 50 years ago, largely because of the difficulties of workshop repairs that were discovered in the Western Desert Campaign. And it's really come full circle, hasn't it, as we might describe later, some of the practices that were being sorted out by the original REME craftsmen in the desert. You had to reinvent or rediscover back there in Saudi Arabia.
Some of our equipment were actually designed for the desert. There was no problem with going back to the desert. Certainly the Challenger was designed for the desert.
See the parade commander standing just to the left of CDS, behind him there, Colonel Huntley.
We're talking to Corporal Latimer. He's a gun fitter, not to be mixed up with an armourer. Gun fitters repair the large guns, but the armourers repair all the small arms. Try to chat with him. Montaigne, the vehicle mechanic and the unit repair kit. Play football, basketball, skiing, table football. And would like to go to Bathurst, which is in Suffield, Canada, one of our training areas. And the last man in the kit. Moving on now to number 6 company, which is a composite company made of 20 electronic workshops and 1 core street workshop, all based in DFO. Corporal McKenna, the telecommunications technician from Front Electronic Workshop. Known as Scout, but I don't think the inspecting officer would actually call him by his first name this morning.
I think it was 20 Electronics who recently moved into purpose-built special accommodation for sorting out their equipment in dealer shops and won a PSA award for the design of the building, if I remember rightly.
Yes, I think you're absolutely correct. Incidental music in the background being conducted by Captain Len Tyler, our director of music. Meanwhile, the CBS moves on.
We believe the rain is easing off a little bit. We've had waves of heavy rain and then light showers and occasional breaks. Very unfortunate, really, for everybody who's prepared so hard for this parade.
Captain Tony Downs reports in 7 Company, which consists of the 1 Cheshire LAD, the Scots Marine Guards LAD, and the Queen's Royal Irish LAD. The 1 Cheshire LAD, formerly the 1 Stafford LAD from Collinbostle, all involved in the Gulf, and the front rank consists of all 1 Cheshire LAD. Talking to Sergeant Flower, British Empire Medal.
Of course, an LAD might well stay, as in this case, in one place when their parent unit, as it were, their host unit, moves on.
I'm speaking to Corporal Peters, metalsmith, 27 years old, has been in the Falkland Islands and in the Gulf with the Stafford Regiment.
The last company, which is a composite one representing Unity Aviation School, isn't it?
Correct, it's made up from 1, 2 and 3 regiments on the aircraft workshop and 71 aircraft workshops. Commanded today by Major John Bywater, who's the officer commanding all the Army Air Corps workshop stationed at there. Talking to Sergeant Hines, aviation technician, joined in 1983, married, and he was part of one regiment Army Air Corps.
I noticed that although you obviously always keep the REME cap badge, Steve, you tend to wear the beret of the unit that you're attached to, and I've seen a number of interesting berets in the crowd here today.
Yes, most LEDs take on one emblem of the unit we're with. The guards tend to wear the brown hat. The hussars don't let us wear the red trousers, but we wear a hat instead. And the Air Corps, of course, wear the blue beret. And today, the rest of the trade is wearing its number one dress hat. The Air Corps don't have the one dress hat, so this is the beret.
We'll be seeing the Air Corps in action later on when the fly past. It's the last element of this parade of men and vehicles and aircraft, celebrating the 50th anniversary of the formation of the REME in 1942. Well, the Chief of Defence Staff, Field Marshal Richard Vincent, has come to the end of his inspection of Foot Parade.
The band is now being presented by the band sergeant major. The band sergeant major will escort the inspection officer forward. The band carry out some 150 to 200 engagements per year, and that equals roughly 250 to 300 single performances.
Right, the Foot Parade stands at ease as Field Marshal Richard Vincent walks towards the freshly cut down Land Rover, from which he will review the vehicle parade.
The driver of the Land Rover is Sergeant Alex Swanson. He's presently employed as a training instrument here at 7 Armoured Workshop.
Chief of Defence Staff with the parade commander on his left and the commander engineering support, 1st British Corps. In fact, it used to be, yes, the commander equipment support. In fact, it used to be commander maintenance, but that's something that's changed, part of the logistics review and the whole reorganisation of things in the army. More and more we'll see the term mate being replaced by EF on staff tables and so on. We'll come back today. Yes, of course, decorated along the top there, you see REME Corps colours. There's a splendid display of umbrellas here today.
First march past will be column company. We're waiting for the CIC of the parade to take his position before the parade commander gives his next order command. Nearly there.
When the march past starts, they'll initially move away to our left, then wheel round and turn back in front of us, in front of the barracks, moving from left to right. Turn out their dressing before marching off. Chief Sergeant Majors in the centre. We'll sort out the dressing.
Lieutenant Clive Benham, commander of 6th Armoured Company, and Brigade.
Company leader! Parade! We'll move to the right! Hold! Down! Hold!
So they've right turned, and they're ready to march off.
Hold the left! Six, four!
One company is now left turn and they are advancing and will advance in front of the CDS. Doing an eyes line. Yes, just on left and right. Now sorting themselves out. Number 1 company, commanded by Captain Adrian Miles, of the Armoured Workshop. This is number 2 company. Number 2 company is Lieutenant Clive Benham. And Staff Money is the right marker. Staff Majors at the rear, so we are too careful. New company coming up. Captain David Coward is in the Gulf with 7 Armoured Workshop. And at the rear of that, WOT Chippendale, the Sergeant Major. Great Commander. Now we're
This is the Corps March being played at the moment, Lily Bolero, also used by the BBC World Service to introduce the news. This is a slight modification of the original Lily Bolero tune. This thing was a song called Auprès de ma blonde. I think the tune goes back to the Peninsular War, but it's a very old and splendid song. El Captain, Caesar now. Really don't look as though they're one drop bothered by the rain, do they, Steve?
very smart, Charlie, very impressed. Always that extra hit with the band, but the dressing is perfect, passing our commentary position. With only 5 days practice together, a very good show. We aren't infantry really, with the electromechanical course, but just to prove that we can do this as well. There it is. Anyway. Seven Armoured Workshops in shot now, Captain Dave Coward. There we go, we're just seeing the back of the airfield. Not a bad shot. Captain the Gaius now.
Giving the eyes right.
Captain Nick Hempstead. Sergeant Major's line.
Yes, the dressing there is absolutely perfect. You could last better. The guards really could you?
8th Company have just passed the guard. 8th Company with Major J. John Bywater and WOT Black at the rear. Sergeant Major at the rear there with the blueberries. His father is an ex-Irish officer. He's also got 2 brothers in.
See the marks left on the grass there by the 2 Sampsons. Obviously the ground is pretty soft right now. But the main vehicle's right mark, which we'll see later on, will be along that tarmac as well, so not too much of a difficulty with the terrain. And I'm marching back to their original position. And when those got themselves all back on parade. They were first addressed by the Chief of the Defence Staff, Field Marshal Vincent.
Racing, wheeling at the end, turn round, bring up their position again.
I believe I'm right in saying that before the REME was formed, it was the Royal Air Force who looked after such army aviation as there was. Spotter planes and the like.
You're probably right, Charlie.
Been buried in the mist of time now. Colonel-in-Chief of the REME, of course, is His Royal Highness Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, who can't be here today. He sent a letter, which is in the programme of today's parade, saying that he's disappointed that he couldn't be here, and pointing out that there's no doubt of the splendid job that the REME has done since its foundation, noting the transformation of military technology during those 50 years. Acknowledging how REME has amply fulfilled the vital task of managing and maintaining ever more complicated and sophisticated equipment to units of all sizes throughout the Army. Every officer, soldier and member of the civilian staff serving today, says the Duke of Edinburgh, has good reason to feel great pride in the reputation which their predecessors created for the Corps and which you continue to enhance. The formation of a single equipment support organisation will face the Corps with many problems and challenges, but I am sure, says the Duke of Edinburgh, that the REME will rise to those challenges with its usual energy and imagination. And he sends his best wishes to everyone attending the anniversary celebration. Not just the 602 on parade, but all the spectators and their families. Parade advanced in review order for the British Grenadiers. General salute from the road.